One of the common questions we get in my office is, why are my insurance rates going up so much? Unfortunately, this is one of the reasons why, is that the severity of auto accidents has increased drastically over the last 5 years. So you can imagine that if someone is in an accident where there's a fatality, the payout is going to be much greater than if there's not. You're pretty much going to pay your policy limits for your bodily injury. So if you have $100,000 of bodily injury limits on your policy, you're going to pay that out, and maybe even more if that's not sufficient. So some tips we give people in our office to save some money is, first, take a defensive driving course. You're going to save 10% right off the bat. You get that discount for 3 years, and it's an easy way to save money. The next thing we look at is if you have a disappearing deductible on your auto policy and you've been good for 3 to 5 years and you have a $300 to $500 credit on your deductible, increase those deductibles to $1,000. With that credit, it's going to be like you have a $500 to $700 deductible. So pretty much the same or a little bit more than you normally expect, but with your credit, you're offsetting that, but you save money in your annual or monthly premium. And then lastly, check your mileage to and from work, your annual mileage for the year. That makes a difference in how it's rated. There used to be buckets that insurance companies would place you in. Now, pretty much for every mile, there's a different rate.